Hello, everybody. Welcome to our 7th week of Sociology 101, Introduction to Sociology. This is our first recording. We're only going to have 2 recordings tonight, but be sure to pause right now if you need to and go ahead and get your lecture quiz. So I want to go over a little bit of class business with you today because we're coming into the end of the course. Next week is our last week of class, and we do have like regular class during finals week. So first up, this week we have 2 assignments, a discussion board and a journal, and then of course your lecture quiz. Next week, it's a little bit different. We don't have a discussion board. We only have a journal, but it's a longer essay-style journal worth 20 points. So be sure to give yourself enough time to complete it. It's a lengthier assignment than any of the other response journals that we've had so far. So be sure to give yourself enough time. It's open now, so you can go look at it now and get an idea of what is required for that assignment. So the final exam will be next week. It begins on Wednesday, May 16th at 12 noon, and then it closes on Friday, May 18th at 11:59 p.m. There is a study guide on Canvas. It's been on Canvas for a few weeks now, and you should use it to help guide you on what will be on the exam. There won't be anything on the exam that's not on the study guide. So just like before, you can begin your exam anytime during between Wednesday at noon and Friday at 11:59 p.m. But once you begin, you must complete the exam all in one sitting, and you will have 60 minutes to do so. Any assignments that you haven't completed yet must be completed by Friday, May 18th at 11:59 p.m. Nothing will be accepted after that time, so don't even bother to ask because I will be turning in your grades over the weekend. So have everything in by Friday, May 18th, and don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions about any assignments or any grades or anything like that. All right, so I wanted to just make a mention about this week's lecture. It's a little shorter than usual. We are going to focus this week, our lecture this week is on race, and we're going to focus this week on the social construction of race and racial formation. That means we will not be covering prejudice and discrimination in the lecture. However, this is probably the most important topic in this chapter and this week's work, and so please take the time to read about prejudice and discrimination in your books. The following topics are topics covered on your study guide: racism, prejudice and discrimination, the difference between ethnicity and race, racial formation, and the relationship between ethnocentrism and racism. And I wanted to mention that you should pay close attention to Merton's chart on prejudice and discrimination because it will definitely be on the exam. And that is the answer to your first quiz question. Merton's chart will definitely be on the exam. Okay, so that's our first recording. I'm going to stop there and we'll pick it up on the next recording.